Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to delete multiple emails at once in Outlook in 2026. Now this helps you clean your inbox fast without deleting the messages one by one. So let's go through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Over here, simply go to the inbox section. In the inbox, you are going to see the emails that you have basically received. So in order to delete a few selected emails, you first of all need to click on the first email. After that, press Ctrl on your keyboard, then click on the other email which you want to remove. Once it is selected, press the delete key, or you can also simply hover over to the top and click on the option of delete. Now, when you click on the option of delete items here in the left hand side, you will see that you have successfully deleted the emails in bulk in Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.